Y'all, we're back day 7, and we're going to be doing some more cleanup, but I'll show you what we got done yesterday. We got all these pine trees that were all knocked down. We got those all taken care of, all cleaned up, and now, as you saw yesterday, I'm working down here where we had my almost kill me branch take me down. But so I'll be working down in this area today. My niece and my daughter cleaned up some of it earlier that I cut up last night before I took off to go home to get some rest. So I actually wanted it kind of over. Oh, that cord won't reach. Never mind. That's fine. Just have to move it again. But there was a pile over there. They got cleaned up this morning. So let's start working on that conglomerate of messiness. So say hi to everybody. She got as good a sleep as I did. Love you. All right, well, we'll chat with you later. We'll show you our progress later. All right, bye. Peace out.